If you're here, it's no coincidence. Perhaps, like many others, you've been seeing the number 777 repeatedly. It's a powerful sign, and you're in the right place. Believe it. If you focus on yourself for a moment, you may start to feel a warmth in your body as you continue through this video. This happens because of the immense energy given to us by the sun and the universe, but will only work if you do it with full awareness. The angels, God, and your spiritual guides want your being to receive this energy so that it can work within you, allowing wonderful blessings to come into your life quickly, blessings that are already within you. You just don't realize you have them, blessings that only need the key to enter your life, and you hold that key. You just need to find it. You will truly be amazed. This is a message you cannot ignore. Get ready for a journey of discovery and divine connection. But remember, for it to work, your active participation is essential. You'll soon realize that the number 777 has appeared in your life today to transform it. And while it may not happen instantly, the truth is, you'll find the path starting today. Imagine having love, peace, tranquility, abundance, prosperity, health, happiness, wealth, quality time, family, professional success, less stress and anxiety, more creativity, improved finances, living where you desire, and so much more, all in your present life. You will have all of this. And today, you will also discover the thief who stole the power that God gave you. And by the end, I will tell you how to harness the power of 777 in your life. Remember, your participation is key. You are free to close your eyes and focus. I know life can feel like a roller coaster, full of ups and downs, challenges, and moments of uncertainty. Maybe you feel lost, confused, or even a little scared. But I want you to know that you are not alone. You never have been. The angels are here, surrounding you with their love and unconditional support. And today, through this message of 777, they want to remind you of your power, your purpose, and your unbreakable connection to the divine. The number 777 is an amplified combination of the number 7, a number that, in spiritual numerology, represents divine wisdom, introspection, and spiritual awakening. When this number appears 3 times, its message is urgent and clear. You are aligned with a higher purpose, and heaven is guiding you toward a new level of awareness and blessings. This number does not appear by chance. It is a direct call from the angels telling you, you are not alone. We are with you. Trust the process because something wonderful is about to manifest. Do you feel like you've been waiting for a clear sign to move forward? This is that moment. The angels are asking you to pay attention because the path you are walking is blessed. When the number 777 appears, there are 3 fundamental messages that the heavenly realm wants you to understand. Message number 1, you are on the right path. No matter the doubts or fears that have surrounded you lately, the angels assure you that you are moving in the right direction. Every step you take, even the small ones, is part of a greater divine plan. Trust that your efforts are being guided and blessed. This number confirms that you are on the right path, and your dedication is being recognized and rewarded by the universe. Keep moving forward with faith and confidence, knowing that you are fulfilling your divine mission. Message number 2, a time of abundance is on its way. The number 777 is a powerful sign that a season of blessings is coming into your life. The seeds you have planted with faith and dedication are about to bear fruit, whether in your finances, relationships, or spiritual growth. 777 is a symbol of prosperity and abundance in every area of your life. Get ready to receive unexpected blessings, incredible opportunities, and a wave of positive energy that will propel you toward your dreams. Message number 3, listen to your intuition. Your angels are asking you to pay close attention to your intuition and the signs around you. Often, the answers you seek are already within you. Do not ignore those gut feelings or recurring dreams. They are divine messages meant to guide you. Open your mind to the energy of your higher self and recognize the incredible potential that also resides within your mind, waiting to be released. When you tune into this inner wisdom, you align yourself with the blessings you deserve, because these are the ways heaven speaks to you. Now, I wanted to ask yourself, what message are the angels sending you through 777? What changes do you need to make in your life to align with your divine purpose? Ask the angels to guide you and show you the way. Listen to the voice of your intuition. Trust the wisdom of your soul and the energy of your mind. Practice daily gratitude, giving thanks for all the blessings in your life. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your mind and attract the abundance you deserve. Repeat this affirmation with me 7 times and write it in the comments to welcome it into your life. If you need to pause the video, feel free to do so and continue when you're ready. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. I am a divine being worthy of love, happiness, and prosperity. Now, I will reveal to you the thief who stole the power God gave you, and after that, you will learn how to harness the power of 777 in your life. In a world full of distractions and noise, we often forget the immense power that resides within us, the divine power that God gave us at birth. This power is our connection to the transcendent, our ability to create, transform, and live in harmony with the universe. However, what no one tells us is that there's a thief, an invisible enemy, constantly stealing this divine power from us. This thief is not something outside of us. It lives within. It hides in limiting beliefs, fears, and insecurities deeply rooted in our subconscious mind. Over the years, the system, life experiences, and our environment shape our minds, feeding us thoughts that disconnect us from our divine essence. Modern society, with its materialistic and competitive focus, teaches us to value the external over the internal, to search the world for everything that, in truth, we already have within us. And when we fall into this trap, we unknowingly hand over control to this thief. We get pulled into negative thoughts, self-doubt, and a profound disconnection from our spiritual being. But here's the good news. You can reclaim what is rightfully yours. By awakening your consciousness, connecting with your subconscious, and reprogramming it correctly, you can take back your power. Through positive affirmations and empowering beliefs, you can reclaim the divine energy that has always been within you. When you do this, your life transforms. You will experience peace, wisdom, and purpose, the very things the world tries to take from you. It's time to take back control, to break free from the chains of fear and limitation, and to live in alignment with the universal energy that is yours by divine right. Are you ready to unlock the power within? Now, repeat with me 7 times and write this affirmation in the comments, an affirmation that will enter your subconscious today. If you need to pause the video, feel free to do so and continue when you're ready. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Every day, I acknowledge the divine strength that resides within me. Today, I invite you to reclaim your power. Begin reprogramming your mind, replacing those negative thoughts with positive affirmations, healing the wounds of the past, and reconnecting with your true self. Transformation will come, and you will start to feel renewed energy an inner peace like you've never experienced before. You will regain confidence, purpose, and most importantly, your connection with the divine. Looking back, you will realize that the thief stealing your power is in your own mind. When you conquer it, you will embrace a life filled with purpose, gratitude, and a peace that only comes when we align with the universal energy that God has given us. To support and empower your subconscious in this journey, I have left a powerful tool in the description and the first pinned comment that will bring you closer to a blessed and fortunate life in a short time. Don't forget to approach it with an open mind. Now is the time to learn how to harness the power of 777 in your life. When you understand the message from your angels, it is vital to take action to align yourself with these blessings. Here are 5 detailed steps to attract and maintain the positive energy of the number 777 in your life. Step number 1, be grateful in advance. Every morning, thank God and your angels for the blessings that are on their way. This act of gratitude opens the doors for more abundance to flow into your life. Gratitude not only elevates your vibration, but also strengthens your connection with the spiritual realm. Take a moment to visualize the blessings you desire as if you have already received them. Imagine how it feels to live in that abundance and allow that emotion to fill your heart. Step number 2, maintain a faithful mindset. When doubts arise, remember that the number 777 is a sign that you are not alone. Faith is not just about believing in what you cannot see, but also acting as if you're already surrounded by the blessings you are expecting. Cultivate a positive mindset and avoid falling into thoughts of scarcity or limitation. Strengthen your faith with affirmations and repeat them every time you face a challenge. Now, repeat with me 7 times and write this affirmation in the comments. This affirmation will enter your subconscious and reinforce your faith. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. I am divinely guided and blessings flow to me. Step number 3, take inspired action. Listen to those ideas that come to your heart and take action accordingly. When you move with faith, your angels work on your behalf to open pathways that once seemed impossible. Don't ignore the opportunities that come your way, no matter how small they may seem. Often, the simplest actions can lead to the biggest changes. Stay open and willing to follow the signs that appear in your daily life. Step number 4, surround yourself with positive energy. The environment you are in greatly influences your ability to manifest blessings. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support your spiritual growth. Spend time on practices that elevate your energy, such as prayer, meditation, and reading sacred texts. Keep your home and workspace clean and harmonized, as a positive environment makes it easier to receive divine messages and blessings. Step number 5, trust in divine timing. Sometimes, blessings don't come when we expect them, but they always arrive at the perfect time. The angels ask that you be patient and trust that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. When you feel impatience or frustration, remember that every experience is preparing you to receive something even greater than you can imagine. Dear God and beloved celestial angels, today, I open my heart with humility and gratitude, recognizing that I do not walk alone. Thank you for the divine signs you send me, especially the number 777, which arrives in my life as a reminder of your love, guidance, and protection. I ask that you illuminate my path, dissolve any fear or doubt, and strengthen my faith in times of uncertainty. I trust that I am aligned with the divine plan, and that everything I need is already on its way to me. May every step I take be guided by your light. May my mind be at peace, my heart overflowing with love, and my hands open to receive the blessings you have prepared for me. I declare that I am deserving of abundance, prosperity, and joy. And just as I receive, I also wish to share these blessings with those around me. Thank you, loving God. Thank you, angels of light. I know you are always by my side. Amen. Remember that in the description and the first pinned comment, I've left a powerful tool that will bring you closer to a blessed and fortunate life in a short time. It will guide you toward living in abundance, prosperity, wealth, and so much more in your present. Don't forget to approach it with an open mind. Open your heart to receive. If you've ever doubted your worth or your ability to achieve your dreams, remember that heaven believes in you. The angels are guiding you to live a full and abundant life, a life that reflects divine love in every area. If this message resonated with you, it's because something great is about to manifest in your life. Are you ready to receive it? Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, you are not alone. The angels are by your side, guiding you every step of the way. See you in the next celestial message.